Hennessey, the Texas-based hypercar manufacturer and high-performance vehicle creator, has partnered with Fox Factory to produce a limited run of 2024 Ram 1500 sport trucks. As the last truck to feature a HEMI engine, the 5.7-liter V8 Ram 1500 Ram 1500 Laramie is treated to a robust list of exterior modifications to enhance aesthetics and performance. The Mammoth 400 receives bespoke paintwork, offering customers with choice of iconic Viper Red, Viper White, or GTS Blue, each accented by distinctive full-length twin Viper stripes, a nod to Hennessey's early roots within the Dodge SRT Viper community. The Fox Ride-Tech suspension system lowers the center of gravity and improves handling, while a performance exhaust complete with carbon fiber tips enhances the V8's growl. The sport truck is given a sinister look synonymous with all Hennessey vehicles, courtesy of an aggressive body kit including side skirts, a deeper custom front bumper, and a carbon fiber splitter. Customers can further enhance their truck's appearance of opting for 22-inch wheels in either satin black or gloss black milled dark tint. John Hennessey, company founder and CEO, says, "We are excited to partner with Fox to build a special sport truck with a uniquely American livery for the final HEMI V8-powered Ram trucks. Our Mammoth 400 Ram celebrates American independence with patriotic colors combined with the fireworks that only the HEMI V8 engine can deliver." Mike Dennison, Fox Factory CEO, says, "In our pursuit to constantly raise the bar on performance in both on-road and off-road premium vehicles, we are thrilled to collaborate with our friends and fellow automotive pioneers, Hennessey Performance. It is a partnership that speaks to the hearts of automotive enthusiasts as both companies share a commitment to excellence, next-level performance, and cutting-edge innovation." The Mammoth 400's color options each link to Hennessey's past while patriotically referencing the colors of the American flag. Harking back to the Dodge Vipers Hennessey built in the late 1990s and early 2000s, the sport truck echoes the colors and visual characteristics most associated with the iconic American performance supercar from that period. The Hennessey Mammoth 400 trucks are available in GTS Blue with white stripes, Viper Red with white stripes, and Viper White with blue stripes.